In today's video, I will demonstrate how to make your liked videos private on TikTok. By default, anyone can visit your profile and view a list of all the videos you have liked. Open the TikTok app and click on your profile menu. Click on the three lines in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Under Accounts, click on Privacy. Scroll down and click on Liked Videos. Change the setting to Only You. Once you have changed this setting, your liked videos will be private and only you will be able to see them. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.